What's going on, everybody? So we're going to take a quick little look at Apple. I know the market was closed today, but generally speaking, on the weekends and the nighttime on days off, I like to really dive in the charts, kind of see what we're looking at for the next following day. Here's one thing that I want to put out, like kind of like as a disclaimer: if you're a day trader, you're a scalper, even if you're a swing trader. Right now, a lot of tech stocks are in the middle of their ranges. So with that being said, if I can kind of pull up my drawing tool here, kind of show you guys where we closed, kind of circled the little candle that we put in on Friday. If we take a look, the top of the range here on Apple is going to be 177, 178, and the bottom of this range is going to be 166. Obviously, I know we haven't come all the way down here to touch that 166 area, but the Bollinger Band and the 50-day moving average are going to be around this 167, 168 level, and then the top of this linear regression channel is going to be about 177. So with that being said, where are we really headed with Apple? It's yet to be determined here. Not a lot of stocks in tech look very appetizing. Now, don't get me wrong, that's not all the stocks in tech or in the NASDAQ 100, but a lot of them are going to look like this. We're sitting underneath supply. We got rejected at the 5-day moving average. We're sitting below the 20-day moving average. We're below the 10-day moving average. From a technical analysis standpoint, and as a technical trader like myself, for me, this chart looks very, very sell biased, meaning that what I'm going to be looking to have happen here on stock like Apple, for example, is do we push into those levels of supply and do we get rejected? And if we get rejected, let's say we're watching an hourly candle time frame, if we get rejected at some of those levels of daily supply, do we roll over through previous hours low? Okay, if that doesn't make sense to you, I have a website. I have a 22 video trading course on how I use these moving averages, what supply and demand is, how I'm actually using these ranges so to capitalize, whether that be long or short. You can check that out on my website, evolutiontraders.com, or join my free Discord. I throw a lot of good tidbits in there, and I'm currently, always in there live the first 1 to 3 hours of the market. But with that being said, is for me, I'd be looking for some sort of rejection here. Okay. Some sort of rejection. And then what I'm looking for is a flush through those lows. And then typically that's when I'm going to take the position short. Now, if you're a perma bear or a perma bull, it really doesn't matter, because what you're going to need to have happen is let the price action kind of play out. And when it starts to play out, then that's when you can kind of, take your moves, be aggressive, not be aggressive. There's a time to be aggressive and there's a time to kind of just manage your money and manage your trades. Right now, it's kind of a time where you want to be more so on the cash liquid side, meaning you want to be able to take part in scalping long or short, depending on the day's momentum. But you don't really want to load the boat here, because we don't really specifically know where the floor is. We know where the ceiling is. Ceiling is going to be all-time highs, 182.94. We're also going to have a little bit of a ceiling here around 177, 178. That's our ceiling. Until we start cracking above that, we can't really talk about putting on swing positions and kind of just letting them ride higher. Right now, we need to play those daily levels. So I'm just going to make this video nice, short, and sweet. Anyone who's interested in Apple, maybe you're looking to swing trade this, you're looking to day trade this, you're looking to scalp Apple. What we need to have happen on Apple before we really start to get long, we need to close daily on a daily time frame over 175. As soon as we can close over this supply, the 5, 10, and 20-day moving average, then we can talk about confirming that day's high with a potential trade to this 177, 178 level. If we're talking about going short, what we need to see have happen here is a flush below Friday's lows, which is going to be about 171, 170.96. And with that measured potential move, we have a move to 168.50. That's going to be the range that you're going to be looking to trade. Guys, if you like this video, please do me a favor, join my Discord, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment, and I will see you guys all in the next video.